Multiple choice questions on thermodynamics, part 7. Question number 61. Which one of the following is the extensive property of the system? Option A volume, option B pressure, option C temperature, option D density. The correct answer is option A volume. Let us see the explanation. These properties are depend on the mass, example, volume, energy, heat capacities like Cv and Cp, enthalpy and entropy. So the correct answer is option A volume. Question number 62. Pressure exerted by a gas in a closed container is option A weak function of density and temperature, option B weak function of density and volume, option C strong function of density and volume, option D strong function of density and volume. The correct answer is option C strong function of density and temperature. Let us see the explanation. Pressure exerted by a gas in a closed container is strong function of density and temperature. So the correct answer is option C. Question number 63. Which of the following items is not a path function? Option A heat, option B work, option C kinetic energy, option D thermal conductivity. The correct answer is option D thermal conductivity. Let us see the explanation. Thermal conductivity is not a path function. Here the remaining three options are heat, work and kinetic energy are path functions. So the correct answer is option D thermal conductivity. Question number 64. Thermodynamic work is the product of option A two intensive, option B two extensive properties, option C an intensive property and change in an extensive property, option D an extensive property and change in an intensive property. The correct answer is option C an intensive property and change in an extensive property. Let us see the explanation. For quasi-static process, work done is calculated by integration P into dV. Here, pressure is intensive property and volume, that means dV equal to change in an extensive property. Thermodynamic work is the product of an intensive property and change in an extensive property. So the correct answer is option C. Question number 65. Which of the following is considered as thermodynamic potential? Option A temperature, option B internal energy, option C enthalpy, option D entropy. Correct answer option C enthalpy. Let us see the explanation. Enthalpy is considered as thermodynamic potential. So the correct answer is option C. Question number 66. Pressure of 1 atmosphere is equivalent to option A 0.101325 megapascal, option B 750 mm of mercury, option C 1 bar, option D 0.101325 kilopascal. The correct answer is option A 0.101325 megapascal. Let us see the explanation. 1 atmosphere pressure equal to 101325 pascal or 1.01325 bar or 760 mm of mercury or 760 tar or 0.101325 megapascal or 14.6959 pound force per square inch. So the correct answer is option A 0.101325 megapascal. Question number 67. Which of the following processes is irreversible process? Option A isothermal, option B adiabatic, option C throttling, Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option C, throttling. Let us see the explanation. An irreversible process can be defined as a process in which the system and the surroundings do not return to their original condition once the process is initiated. Throttling process in which no change in enthalpy from state state 1 to state 2. So H1 equal to H2 and no work is done. That process is called isenthalpic, and this process is adiabatic. That means Q equal to 0. So the correct answer is option C, throttling. Question number 68. The internal energy of an ideal gas is a function of option A, pressure only, option B, absolute temperature only, option C, pressure and volume, option D, pressure, volume and temperature. The correct answer is option B, absolute temperature only. Let us see the explanation. The internal energy of an ideal gas is function of absolute temperature only. That means internal energy U equal to function of temperature only. So the correct answer is option B. Question number 69. The temperature at which the volume of gas becomes zero is called option A, absolute scale of temperature, option B, absolute zero temperature, option C, absolute temperature, option D, dew point temperature. The correct answer is option B, absolute zero temperature. Let us see the explanation. The temperature at which the volume of gas becomes zero is called absolute zero temperature. At absolute zero temperature, that means minus 273.15 Kelvin, movement of gas molecules becomes zero. So the correct answer is option B, absolute zero temperature. Question number 70. In the polytropic process equation, PV power n equal to constant if n is infinitely large. The process is termed as option A, constant volume, option B, constant pressure, option C, constant temperature, option D, adiabatic. The correct answer is option A, constant value. Let us see the explanation. When n equal to 0, the process is constant pressure. When n equal to 1, the process is isothermal. When n equal to 1.4, the process is adiabatic. When n equal to infinity, the process is constant value. So the correct answer is option A, constant value. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.